Good morning. Today I'll be making cucumber mango salad. And the dressing ingredients are 1/2 cup cane vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of or to taste salt, 1/8 teaspoon or to taste red pepper flakes, to taste black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And also prepare 1 jar to mix the ingredients. Using a funnel, put the vinegar into the jar. Next, after pouring the cane vinegar into the jar, let us put the salt, then sugar. Using a spoon, let us scoop it out to the jar. Then next, let us put the red pepper. Then follow the black pepper. This can be also to taste or estimate. Then mix it. You can also mix it using the cover. And after mixing it, you can also shake it. After mixing, it is ready for the salad. Here are the ingredients for the mango cucumber salad. 1 piece of cucumber, 1 piece of apple mango, 2 pieces of tomato, 1 piece of big onion, and 30 grams of dilis. Using the peeler, let us peel the apple mango. Then, peel it slowly. Then, slice the mango after peeling into 3 parts. Cutting the mango, if you sense something hard, move a little. And now, it is already into 2 parts. Cut another half. Now, it is already in 3 parts. Then, when it is already cut into 3 parts, transfer the 2 parts and slice the middle part of the mango to get the side of the mango. Then, after cutting the first part in the front of the middle part of the mango, cut the other side. After cutting into 3 parts of the mango, let us make small dice. Then, do it with the rest of the ingredients. And this is the peeled half of the cucumber. And cut into dice. Cutting the half peeled cucumber into small dice. Then, cut the tomato into small dice. Then, and lastly, let us cut into small dice the onion. And before mixing the dilis into the salad, dry fry the dilis into the pan or toast it or mix it in 10 to 15 minutes. Now, here's the cucumber that is unpeeled and not unpeeled. Mix it in the mixing bowl, the mango, and half of the onions. Because the half of the onions and half of the tomato will be used in garnish. Then, mix both with a serving spoon or a wooden spoon. But I prefer to use serving spoon because it is what we have available. Then, after mixing the salad, let us transfer it to a bowl or a plate or which it is available. And when you're ready to eat, just add then after putting or transferring the salad into the plate, use the dilis as a topping when you're ready to eat. Take a serving portion into a small bowl and there you can add the dilis as a topping of the salad and the onion and the tomato. Then add the dressing and mix it. And here's the serving portion of the mango cucumber salad with dilis. And here's the finished product of my cucumber mango salad. This is best paired with fried foods like fried fish, fried meat, and grilled chicken, pork. It's delicious.
I'll try this one. Very fresh. It is good, nutritious. It will lessen the oily food like this. And this is best paired when with meat and grilled food, fried foods, anything oily. So it's good.